Well, hey guys, welcome back. Happy Friday. I'm AndrewPullsPokemon. Thank you for joining. And today we're here to finish Galarian Bird Week, our fall edition. And we are here with our fighting chicken, the Galarian Zapdos 10. So 5 more Crown Zenith packs today. Let's hope we can get back into the top 10, maybe get some really good pulls. I know it's been kind of hit or miss this week, which I guess most Pokemon packs are. So let's get to it, guys. If you can real quick, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we're going to get this open.
Alright guys, here we are, our last 10 of the week, Galarian Zapdos, 5 more packs, let's get to it. Alrighty, and there is our Galarian Zapdos promo card, and our 5 packs of Crown Zen today. Let's do it here guys, we are going to get some big monster pulls. Alrighty. Pancham, Helioptile, Wooloo, Skrelp, Grubbin, and a Turtwig. So another gallery card to start the week. It's so funny. Monday, Wednesday, and today we started with a gallery card. A gallery card I don't have, which is great. So yeah, a little Turtwig. That is great. And under that, a Holo Mewtwo. It is a holo I have, but, you know, it is a Mewtwo, so, I mean, I guess I can't be super bummed, right? Alright. Fighting Energy, Salazzle, Ultra Ball, and Digging Duo. Okay, pack number 2. Alrighty. Energy Search, Salandit, Oddish, Coughing, Sunkern, a reverse holo Kyogre, and a rare Volcarona. Energy, Bisharp, Pokemon Catcher, and a Pincurchin. Alright, pretty weak pack there. Pack number 3. Alrighty. Coughing, Sunkern, Galarian Mr. Mime, Shinx, Kricketot, and a Glaceon V-Star. That's so wild, because I have one of these already. Shocking, I know. But this is a top 10 card from Crown Zen, and if I remember correctly, I just pulled another duplicate top 10, either this week or when I've recently done Crown Zen. But either way, Glaceon V-Star, it's a beautiful card. Full art, and yeah, not bad. It's a dupe, sadly, but a very cool one nonetheless. So under that, a Regigigas V-Star. Man, sadly, another duplicate. So back-to-back dupes, back-to-back full arts. Man, I will say that is kind of a bummer. V-Star, Carnivine, Frenzen Hisuian, and a Shaman. Man, it's so odd, you know, just 3 straight dupes after our 1 new card. And I feel like that's how Crown Zen has gone all week. And yeah, it sucks. Pack 4 here. Alrighty. Poniard, Yanma, Chatot, Luvdisc, Emolga, a reverse holo Leon, and a rare Executor. Energy, Matang, Luxio, and Lost Vacuum. Okay, guys, we have 1 more pack of Crown Zen. I'm just hoping we can get a new full art gallery card, a V, something. So here we go. Alrighty. Baltoy, Tangela, Larvesta, Snorunt, Switch, reverse holo Chatot, and a Rotom V, another duplicate. Energy Switch, Matang, and Dusclops. Man, what a just... blech. Man, that really stinks, guys. Well, I feel like this is pretty much exactly what's happened all week, which is just the oddest thing to me. I'm going to show you guys the new card first, because we only, once again, got 1. There's our Turtwig gallery card, full art. Looks fantastic. I love it. And then, yeah, it was just duplicate city here. Rotom V. I think I have 2 of those prior to today. Regigigas V-Star. Have one of those. Glaceon V-Star, top 10 of Crown Zen, and a duplicate. duplicate for me. So that was pretty much how Crown Zen went, guys. I got 1 or 2 new cards each day, and then I pulled about 2 to 5 dupes each day. So pretty rough, very, very rough, I think. So, but anyway, next week, guys, I am hoping things will be much better. We are going to be opening up Paradox Rift, and I cannot wait. So I have a lot of Paradox Rift that just came in. Excited to open that, and I will actually do some new 151, one of the Alakazam collections as well, because got to do some 151s. So outside of that, guys, I appreciate you tuning in. If you could, like the video, subscribe if you weren't already, and outside of that, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. It's Thanksgiving next weekend. Let's freaking go. And yeah, I will talk to you later. Bye.